In today's video, we will learn what happens after the formation of baby. Now, when the infant is formed and comes out of the womb of the mother, then the muscles, the organs start to expand to push out the infant. After that comes out, now what happens? The umbilical cord is cut, which is providing the nutrition to the baby. And when it is cutted, then it would now need to start its own body breathing, heart beating, and thinking of its own. Do you know inside the embryo a special type of liquid is present, and that liquid is the one which keeps the infant floating. The infant changes its orientation inside the mother's womb, but due to the help with the liquid present in it, it changes its orientation. Have you ever noticed when the childs come out of the mother's womb, they start to cry? It is a very essential process for the evolution. From the evolution, that it starts to cry because of the liquid that are stuck in the infant's mouth. If it does not cry, then that liquid will not come out and it might choke on that liquid during the breathing process. As it cries, it leads to the high pressure of gas which are released from the infant's body, and thus the liquid also comes out. So it is an essential process for the crying of an infant. Now what happens, that thing happens, the infant start to grow itself. Umbilical cord is cutted and it is preserved in many cases right now. As we talked in previous video, that umbilical cord is preserved. Yeah, it is preserved with the help of liquid nitrogen under certain Celsius or Fahrenheit, and when it is preserved for the future, because if you have it better, we all know that there's a quote there, and the quote is that precaution is better than cure. So instead of requiring the cure, if we are precautionated, then it will be better for everyone. So stem cells are preserved. Now, do you actually know what are the purposes of biotechnology? Because due to biotechnology, we are able to form these different type of organs and cells with the help of stem cells. You know how this process works, right? The chemical is a type of growth chemical. Whenever it is setted on the stem cell, then it reacts to the chemical and starts to grow. And that growth process, if continues for a sufficient period of time, then it would lead to the formation of a organ, as example brain, heart, kidney, liver, lungs, intestine, stomach, and many more. These all could occur with the help of stem cell, and this is the work of biotechnology. If biotechnology was not there, then it probably would not have worked as well. And with the help of biotechnology, a lots of work can be done. A high resistant plants variety could be formed, and a large cultivation of area over a small land could be also done, and are resistant to peer, to temperature, to rain, and to drought. These type of plants are formed. Also, various if a plant is not having the correct type of nutrient in that, and a different species having the correct type of nutrient, then those characteristics from that species could be brought to the existing species with the help of biotechnology. Biotechnology is highly grown in the field of plant and agriculture, and is currently growing in animals as well. With the help of biotechnology, artificial insemination is occurred in cattle. And what happens in cattle and cows? Cattle are the small variant of cows. So let's understand what happens in cows. The semen of a foreign gene are introduced within the gene of a Indian cow. So what happens? The foreign characteristics giving the right milk and right stuff can be introduced in the Indian bustard, Indian cow, whatever that, and that the baby that comes out from that cow now will have the right gene for the production of right amount of content. So better milk, high nutrition, and high variety. So with the help of biotechnology, these could be obtained, and various resistive type of plants are also formed, like BT cotton. BT cotton is a type of cotton which are formed with the help of Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis is a type of bacteria which DNA is injected in the leaves of that cotton. So if any type of organism like caterpillar or any insect tries to feed upon the leaves, then if once they take a bite, due to the type of toxin present in the Bacillus thuringiensis, the gene present in the our lives, it would die. So no more plant would be destroyed. That's the condition that are occurring. So this is a stem cell. This is the biotechnology. I hope you understand. Thank you.